390,005, working 1 Foxtrot 11 0636. Avanti from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street, calling at Milton Keynes Central, Nuneaton, Stafford, Crewe, Runcorn and Liverpool Lime Street. Normally it does not call at Nuneaton, instead running fast from Milton Keynes to Crewe, but for some reason it's calling additionally at Nuneaton today. Also calling at Watford Junction to pick up only. Sorry. Plenty of unreserved seats this morning.
Oh, okay.
So you can sit anywhere, because there's plenty of seats this morning.
Okay, thank you.
First train of the day, usually very quiet. Very quiet and standard. Standard, premium and first class appear to be dead. Basically the same as a 9-car 390 without coaches, same as an 11-car 390 without coaches U and G, which are additional standard coaches. Coach G used to be first class before refurbishment. That's a nice window seat. Some of the seats do not align perfectly with the window.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay, just having a look.
Yeah. You like it, yeah?
Yes. Yes. Sorry, so I'll let you through.
Merci.
There's also one over there.